Good morning to all. I, VIBHA, welcome you all in this maths activity or project making competition. Today, I will tell you how to find the sum of uneven natural numbers with the help of an activity and also many interesting maths puzzles. But before that, I want to ask you a question. What are these natural numbers? Of course, everybody would be knowing. Counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, etc. are known as natural numbers. And one more important question. What are these even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 such as 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. are known as even numbers. So let's get started with the help of an activity to find the sum of uneven natural numbers. For this activity, we need some pins. These pins will denote the even numbers. We will insert these pins in the boxes given here. So let's start with the first box, that is blue box. We all know that the first even number is 2. So we will insert here 2 pins. These 2 pins will denote that 2 is the first even number. Now let's come to the second box or orange box. We know that the second even number is 4. So we will insert here 4 pins. These 4 pins will tell us that 4 is the second even number. Now let's come to third or green box. We know that the third even number is 6. So we will insert here 6 pins. These will denote that the third even number is 6. 4, 5 and here comes 6. Now let's come to the brown box. It is the fourth box. We know that the fourth even number is 8. So we will insert here 8 pins. And we will come to know that the fourth even number is 8. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now for better understanding, let's take out this part from here. As you can see, I have taken out this part. This part is similar to that part. We know that the pins are inserted inside it. And do you know which shape is it? We all know that it is rectangular shape. And we know this also, that any surface inside any shape is known as its area. And the formula for finding the area is length multiplied by breadth. So here let's see the pins inserted in the breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's see the pins inserted in the length. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the area is length multiplied by breadth. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So the sum of first 4 even natural numbers is 20. By this way, we can find the sum of uneven natural numbers. So now, let's take one more even number for better understanding. Now, we will insert pins in the fifth box, that is pink color box. We know that the fifth even number is 10. So, we will insert 10 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last pin, that is 10. It will denote that the fifth even number is 10. We know that the area is length multiplied by breadth. So let's count the pins in the breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now let's count the pins in the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the area is length multiplied by breadth. So 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. Can also do it easily by the formula of n into n plus 1. In this, n denotes the number of pins in the breadth and n plus 1 denotes the number of pins in the length. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It denotes n. So length would be n plus 1, which is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So n into n plus 1 is 5 into 6, which is equal to 30. So, by this activity, we came to know that it is easy to find the sum of uneven natural numbers by this interesting activity and the formula of n into n plus 1, where n denotes the natural numbers. But if we are trying to find the sum of first 6 natural numbers by adding it, then it would take very much time. But by this interesting activity, it has made us easier to calculate and find the answer. Now it's time to boost your mind with some interesting maths puzzles. So let's get started. So here comes the first puzzle. It is the puzzle related to circles. Let's see the first circle. Inside these, in all the 4 circles, the digits are marked. But in the 5th circle, there is a question mark. Means we have to find the answer to this question mark with the help of this second circle. In this circle, all the digits are marked in all 5 triangles. So we have to find the rule followed in this circle, and the same rule will be applied in this circle also to find the answer to this question mark. So finally, we have got the answer, and the answer to this puzzle is 13. You would be thinking, how is it? So let me explain you. I have told you that take example from this circle. In this circle, firstly, let's add these both digits. 8 plus 7 is equal to 50. Now let's add these both digits. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So now we need to add their both sums. So 15 plus 14 is equal to 29. So now the same rule will be applied here also. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So we have found the answer to this puzzle by the rule followed here. So here comes the second puzzle. In this puzzle, in first step you can see that 3 triangles are added and their sum is equal to 21. In second step, it is shown that one triangle is added to 2 circles, which is equal to 19. In third step, it is given that one triangle, one square and one circle are added and it is equal to 15. In last step, it is given one triangle is added to one circle and the circle is multiplied to one square, which is equal to question mark. So we have to find the answer to this question mark by finding the value of each shape. So now let's see the answer to this question mark. The answer is 19. You would be thinking, how is 19? So let's see. In first step, it was shown that the sum of 3 triangles is equal to 21. If sum of 3 triangles is equal to 21, then one triangle is equal to 7. We will divide here. Now, in next step, it is shown one triangle added to 2 circles is equal to 19. We know the value of one triangle. It is equal to 7. So here 7 is in addition. When it will go to that side, it will be in subtraction. So 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. If 2 circles are equal to 12, then the value of one circle is 6. Here also we will do division. Now in third step, it is shown that one triangle added to one square added to one circle is equal to 15. We know the value of triangle and circle. It is 7 and 6. So we will add here 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Here it is in addition. So when it will go to that side, it will be subtraction. So 15 minus 13 is equal to 2. From here we have find the value of square also, which is equal to 2. Now the last and the final step. Here it is shown that one triangle plus one circle multiplied by one square is equal to question mark. We know the value of all three shapes. So It is 7, 6 and 2. So 7, 6 and 2. According to board mass, firstly we multiply. So 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12 and 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. So we have find the value of this question mark. So I hope you enjoyed these interesting maths puzzles and understood that how to find the sum of uneven natural numbers by this interesting activity. Thank you and have a nice day.